Hello, Spring Arbor. Today I'm taking you to Creatopia. This is a pottery painting place by my house in Canton, Michigan. Here's the window, and we're gonna go inside. Here we have the many things that you can paint, plates and bowls and fun stuff. Here's some stuff that people already painted. Kind of cool. Alright, here we have my best friend Lauren doing a little painting of a tile. If you can see that there. Some stripes going on. We're loving it. You know, you've got your tiles here tell you how the paint's going to turn out, and then you finish it and they fire it up in this kiln back here, if you can see on the right. They fire it right up, takes a week, and you get it back. And we are just having a great day. Hope you're having a good spring break, and that's all. Bye.